Ooh, I've been waiting for this. Y'all remember that old saying, careful what you wish for? Alright folks, a little bit of context here. It's roughly January 19th or 20th, something like that. Nevertheless, pretty much this whole winter here in southwestern Ontario has been mild. And, you know, I'm always saying if it's going to be cold, it might as well snow. But when it was mild, it would rain. When it was cold, it wouldn't snow. Well, this started at 4 o'clock this morning and hasn't quit all day. So we're sitting here probably at about 4 inches of snow. The rivers froze over. And the reason I wanted the snow was because I wanted to practice some B-roll with the snow. I'm not really interested in freezing though. It's well, -8 according to my truck. Let's go give it a shot. A quick shot. I've been in your waters. Oh, well, that was a short-lived B-roll session. There's a driveway down here to a hunt club that I've been trying to get a nice picture of. The driveway is about 400 meters long, and I've been waiting for it to snow, and here it is. So there you see way down there, there's a hunt club at the end of that, and I apologize for the sound of the heat there, but it's freezing. I've been trying to get a picture with snow on the ground. The only thing is, it's snowing so hard right now, I can't stand there and I'm so cold to take enough pictures to get an actual good one. So I took 3 or 4, we're going to see how they turn out, but I just can't do it. Now, Jody and Jess, if you're watching this, I'm sure it's your usual 85 and sunny and you're fishing and sitting on the beach and having a couple beers and here. Apparently I got what I wished for. I think I need to get moving. Anyway, just stopped to pick up some refreshments. Gotta go get some pizza because it's my turn to cook. I'm gonna head home. Enjoy the rest of the evening. Hope you all enjoyed that little bit of B-roll with some snow. That's the first snow we've had this year, so I had to take advantage of it. And I froze in the process. So if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. And you know all that good stuff. You'll get notified, or you're supposed to get notified each and every time I upload a video. That's all I got. Stay warm, friends. Later.